Finished in opalescent blue with navy blue hides, an original 5-speed manual and power-assisted steering example of the DB6, retaining its original and recently factory rebuilt engine. This delightful staple from Aston Martin's golden era of hand-built, high-performance grand touring cars has been the subject of a restoration and recent major refurbishment works by Aston Martin in Newport Pagnell. Introduced in 1966, the newly styled DB6 became the archetypical high-performance grand touring car of the day. Produced after the DB4 and DB5 models' demise, the DB6, with its longer wheelbase and raised roofline, answered customer calls for more space in the rear compartment and improved headroom for the driver and passengers. Retaining the powerful and proven 4-litre 6-cylinder all-alloy Aston Martin engine, ride and handling was further enhanced with the introduction of the new Kamm Tail body. Stability at speed was considerably improved, which coincidentally improved the boot capacity. The example we're pleased to offer is presented in an excellent and highly usable condition, having been the subject of a cosmetic refurbishment completed in 2015 and considerable expenditure at Aston Martin Heritage within the last 3 years. Works, which are fully detailed within the vehicle's history file, include a complete rebuild of the original engine, and attention to the gearbox and clutch, attention to brakes, suspension, electrics and weather seals. The history file supplied with the car contains the build records and early factory service records from 1968 to 1972. Last changing hands in 2018, the mileage of 61,000 miles is described by a previous owner as accurate, confirming the car having been laid up between 1976 and 2000. All invoices for recent works by Aston Martin are included and demonstrate an expenditure totalling over £130,000 in bringing the car to its current delightful and highly usable condition. Indeed, ready for any summer's evening cruise or grand tour, this delightful example of the practical and powerful DB6 is supplied inclusive of an up-to-date vehicle service, detailed preparation and 12 months MOT and warranty. Available now for viewing and demonstration at our Hertfordshire showrooms.